All right, so today we're going to take a quick look at these two charge controllers. This is the Victron 120, and this is the MPPT solar charge controller available out on Amazon that mysteriously showed up for me to test. Now, I in the past have talked bad about this inverter, so I wanted to give it a fair shake. I went ahead and hooked up everything, running everything over here to the two solar panels out front, through the shunt, up to the inverter, and down to the battery. Now, what's important here to notice is I'm going to show you the voltage being pulled in with the MPPT is 43 volts. Now, if you look at the voltage without it pulling any, it's way up at about 60 volts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a camera stand, and after this I'm going to stop testing on this charger controller because this is a blatant failure in my mind. So this is running through the Victron. This is running to this charge controller on the right. As you can see, the wires come down and terminate here. And all I'm going to do is switch the wires and wait for this MPPT charge controller to take control of it so you can see what happens while this is running. So here we are. We're running at 43 volts, 285 watts. I'm going to disconnect positive and negative. We jump up to 70 volts, 0 watts, which is where we should be. I'm going to plug these back in over here to the other charge controller, and immediately it drops to 15 volts and 125 watts, and we'll stay there until the voltage of those panels drops. This is not an MPPT charge controller. It is a PWM charge controller. The Victron charge controller adjusts for that voltage, but this charge controller does not. It is pulling from the panels at 15 volts to charge this battery. And therefore, the amperage is staying the same, but the voltage is dropping, and there is why we have the loss in wattage, because it is the loss of a PWM charge controller. This charge controller is not MPPT. If you look at the ad very closely, they never claim it's an MPPT charge controller. This is the company name. Therefore, it's not necessarily a lie on their part, but it certainly isn't honest to name the company MPPT and claim that it's a charge controller and allow everyone to assume it's an MPPT charge controller. Hope this helps somebody. If you're looking to buy an MPPT charge controller, don't buy this one. Find another brand. Victrons are extremely inexpensive and very reliable, and there's other brands like this from EcoWorthy and other companies that are reliable, and I'll include a few links down below of ones you can purchase that will work.